Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can find your account number on Etoro. To do so, first of all, go onto your Etoro account and log into it. Here I have already logged in into my Etoro account. From here, just scroll on to the left hand side of the screen until you see the options for settings. From here, go on to accounts and scroll down and you'll be able to see your account number. If it is not loading up on your screen, like right now, there is no account number, you can simply go on to help and resources and it will take you to the screen where now you are able to go on to start chatting or view our help center. Click on view our help center and it will take you to the help center of Etoro. From here, you can simply just raise your concern of not being able to find your account number on Etoro to the Etoro help. Now simply search for what you can help with or click on the down arrow button until you see these options, that is scroll down and you can see all of these options that is going to help you in needing help of your account number. If you don't find any of your concerns right here, you can simply go on to bottom of the screen and click on open a ticket, which will open up your problems different ticket to help you with your problem more differently and more faster. So that's how you can check your account number. If not, go on to help. This is also this video and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.